My name is Luis Angel Cavies. Creativity. Question 1. Do you want to do a specialization? I want to do a specialization because I want to deepen everything related to the automation part. Question 2. Why do you want to be a SENA instructor? I want to be a SENA instructor because I want to serve this institution that gave me the opportunity to grow as an apprentice and open the door for me. This the best way to high back to this institution. Question 3. Where do you work at? I work in the city of Buenaventura in the company Puerto Industrial Agua Dulce. Question 4. What business do you want to undertake? I want to see a shop of electrical material for domestic and industrial use. Thank you.